Hey guys, Thomas Dallin here with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm going to walk you through the Bennington 22S. Great boat, just arrived. You'll see it's got the silver paneling and the rigid colors here. It's got the full blackout package with your heavy duty black rub rail. You'll see that you got your nav lights and docking lights right here on the side. Guys, this is a full size tri-tune with SPS package, 25-inch pontoon logs. Taking a look at the back, you'll see that you've got the lifting strakes as well. This boat is powered with the Yamaha 150 with stainless steel prop. Nice blacked out bifold ladder, perfect for getting in and out. Let's take a look at the interior. All right, guys, welcome aboard the 22S. As you'll see up here in the bow, you've got full loungers, nice 80% cutout with a nice cubby for your phone, sunscreen, whatever you might want to put there, along with plenty of cup holders throughout the whole boat. Plenty of storage underneath these seats as well, guys, as you can see. Had a nice bow table, rectangular bow table with cup holders. This is the side-by-side captain's chairs. Taking a look at the helm, you'll see that we've got your mechanical gauges, tilt and trim, RPMs, fuel. And then we did the Garmin Echo Map right here for all your chart plotting and fish finding capabilities. Nice rocker switches for all your other applications. Upgraded Rockford Fosgate stereo. Guys, look how easy it is when you sit here and drive. Binnacle lays right here at the armrest. Perfect, easy boat to drive and maneuver. All Benningtons come standard with a 10-foot bimini top. For more information, please give us a call or stop by your Greenville, South Carolina showroom. Thank you and have a great day.